Hello and happy Valentine's Day, my friends. Hope all you're doing well. I'm Ellen, and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to episode 261 on Ellen's Homemade Delight. I love me some strawberry cake. So today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a strawberry cake from scratch. And it is thebomb.com. This will be your go-to strawberry cake recipe. It is so moist, full of strawberry flavor, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And if you're not a fan of strawberry cake, this may change your mind after watching this video. And once you taste this cake, you'll be in strawberry heaven. And I'll post a complete recipe down below in the description box. So grab your oil, your flour, and your pureed strawberry sugar, because we're about to bake some strawberry cake magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my large bowl, I have 2 cups of white sugar and 1 3-ounce package of strawberry flavored jello. And we're going to add in 1 cup of strawberry milk, 1 1/4 cups of canola oil. This cake is going to be nice and moist. 4 jumbo eggs at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of strawberry extract. And we're going to blend this until it's nice and well combined. Alright, my friends, next we're going to slowly add in 3 cups of self-rising flour that I sifted, and 1/2 cup of pureed strawberries. Blend this in until it's nice and well combined. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing up my cake batter. Strawberry goodness. Smells incredible. And I love this recipe because it's all in a dump in the bowl. Alright, that looks perfect. Now we're ready to pour the batter into the cake pans. I'm using 2 9-inch round cake pans that I greased with cooking spray and flour, or you can use butter and flour or shortening and flour. Alright, my friends, I got my cake batter into the pans, so now we're going to bang them a few times to rid some of the air bubbles. Alright, now we're ready to put these babies in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 35 to 55 minutes. Alright, I'll bring you back, my friends. Alright, my friends, I have taken my strawberry cakes out of the oven, and it smells awesome. See how nice and golden brown they look? Alright, so now we're going to let the cakes cool completely, and while they're cooling, we can get started on the strawberry cream cheese frosting. Alright, my friends, in my large bowl, I have an 8-ounce carton of cream cheese spread softened and 1 stick, which is 1/2 cup of unsalted butter softened, and we're going to cream this until it's nice and fluffy. Alright, my friends, next we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of strawberry extract, 1/4 cup of pureed strawberries, and I'm going to add just a few drops of red food coloring because I want my icing a little bit more pinker. And again, we're going to cream it until it's nice and fluffy. Alright, my friends, next we're going to slowly add in 1 16-ounce box of powdered sugar that I sifted. Blend this in until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright, my friends, I'm through making my strawberry cream cheese frosting. It smells so good. I can smell the strawberry extract and the pureed strawberries. Alright, that looks great. Now we're ready to ice our cake. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Southern strawberry cake. Doesn't that look gorgeous? And I garnished it with my strawberry roses I made. And I did a tutorial on that on my last video. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. OMG, that looks amazing. Pretty pink color. Alright, now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I got me a great big southern slice. And look at that strawberry rose. Magnificent. Alright, here we go. And look at this texture. So moist. Look at that. full of strawberry goodness. It melts in your mouth. If y'all love strawberry cake, please try this recipe. This would be the best strawberry cake you ever had. And this would be great for Valentine's Day and also the spring and the summer coming up. This would be a great dessert. And that strawberry cream cheese frosting, divine. So decadent and scrumptious. This is a vanilla bite. Strawberry cake delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed the video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat, and I want to wish all of you a happy Valentine's Day. Have fun being with your sweetheart. Much love.